Hi guys, we are ready for make the actual pizza. So that is the dough. After race, in the meantime, I already have it made some Montanara pizza. Well, that is what I like it. I love it that, and then even my kids. So I fried the dough. That is the Montanara pizza. You see? I use all extra virgin. And then I put some tomato, mozzarella, parmigiano and basilico. That's it. I will warm it up after a little bit in the oven and ready to go. So now we're gonna make the actually margherita pizza. So first we go with the ingredients. Tomato. I use a very good plant tomato. I just pass it like that. Raw. Salt. Extra virgin olive oil. And basil. That's it. Please keep the simple way, because the simple way is the way to make the good ingredient taste better. I have some mozzarella, fresh mozzarella. I have tomato, parmigiano. I have some fresh ricotta, sausage, some black olives. So I will make a couple pizza. And plus I have the two small one for my kids. So that is the dough. For a lot of people, it's hard to use their hand, but really try to use your hand, because the Napoletan pizza is really all about your hand. You need to work. And then the other thing too, for the Napoletan pizza, you need supposed to be start to push in the center, to go through the to the outside, to make the board very fat. There's a lot of people, So that is what you do for start. You see? You see the dough, it's very soft. A lot of people use the rolling pin. I really don't suggest that. Probably it's much easier, but you take it off all the air from the dough, and you don't want that for make a Napoletan pizza. So the ti piace papino? Sì, eh?
I like it.
Yeah, I know. No, we're gonna eat soon. I promise. So Napoletan pizza. So like I say, use your hand. If you can. And you can even use the rotation to make a little bit better like that. You make pizza too? Yeah, sure. Even if it's don't come really round and perfect, it's okay. Napoletan pizza is not perfect. That's it is. So you can try to do like this. I'm going slow, and that's it. Yeah, don't mass too much. Okay, so that's the pizza. Other thing, be careful. Aspetta. I have it the stone in my oven already. We need a very high temperature. I put at 550 the most hot I can, and you know the stone is already inside, so it's already it's already hot. So I'm gonna start with the San Tomato. Where's the spoon?
Where's my pen?
Lo devi prendere. La mozzarella. San basil. Tu San parmigiano tu. Fill oil. Okay, and go in the oven. Very easy. You see, it's not sticky, and I throw it straight in the pizza in the stove. You know, for this pizza, with the stone is already hot, you put it directly in the stone, and with the oven of 550, it will take probably like 6 minutes to cook. The other thing interesting is you know, this kind of dough you can actually, you know, use it and like doing even a thin pizza. You know, that's not true. A lot of people say, oh yeah, you can do it. You know, you can technically use less dough, like the small one, 150, roll it, take off all the air, and then low the temperature of the oven, like a 450, no more, like something like that. So it will cook like probably in 10-12 minutes, but it will come very crunchy. That is the result. We have it, you know, the margherita pizza, the montanara, and then the sausage, black olive and ricotta. The dough come out great for me. You know, we cook in this oven like I saw the majority, but it still come crispy, of course, because it's not really super high temperature. But I hope you guys enjoy. I will definitely with my family. It's a dinner time, so buon appetito.